Okay guys, when you wire a kitchen, you want to put your 2-gang box on the bottom plate like that for the oven when you have an electric oven. And the reason why is there's about a 6-inch or so, 6 to 8 inches to the bottom of the oven that allows for that wire and that plug to be under. So if you don't put it on that bottom plate, then your oven will not push back all the way against the wall. And then you'll want to run an 8-3 to that. Romex 8-3, 8 conductor, or excuse me, 3 conductor, 8 wire, 8 gauge wire to that. That's how to 220 oven. Thanks.